All right, this is the study guide for map test number 9, the very last map test. So I'm going to outline there's only 3 states left to add. So we've got these 2 here, and then we've got this one down here. I'm going to attempt to make a good trace of that one. All right, so let's go ahead and start labeling them. This is New Mexico. The capital is Santa Fe. And the abbreviation is NM. This over here is Arizona. The capital is Phoenix. And the abbreviation is AZ. This last state over here, which is really up north above the United States, is Alaska. The capital is Juneau. And the abbreviation is AK. So after you complete these last 3, and you'll have done all 50 on your map test number 9, and you will be done with all of your map tests. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me.